Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll be going to show you one cool applications where you just need to unlock every day and you can collect those rewards in the form of gift cards and even PayPal gift cards. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for one application named as SlideJoy. As I have already installed this application, so I'm not going to install it again. So you install it, and once installation is done, click open. On opening the application for the first time, you can see its user interface. So I have already used it since many months and tested it a lot, so it's truly a genuine application, not a fake or any scam applications. So without any worry, you can use these applications to earn rewards. So first let me show you how you can use it and how you can earn rewards. So here you can see a button. So you need to enable this. If it has not been enabled, enable lock screen and notification and shortcuts. If you've not done, just enable these two options and go back and just lock your phone or mobile. Just double tap it and you can see your advertisement. Just unlock it. So you can do in this way 2 or 3 times a day by just unlocking, and you will get ads in this way. So if you regularly do this every day, then you can collect coins, that is carrots. So I have collected those carrots, and now how much I can redeem now, those much of carrots. So once you have sufficient amount of carrots, you can click on this store. So you can see various gift cards that you can use those carrots to redeem coupons. So I have already redeemed so many times, and it really pays us or send us those gifts in our email addresses. So don't worry, it's really a true app. So you can just unlock it every day and use it every day to earn those carrots, and in that carrots you can use those carrots as a form of rewards. So try these applications by yourself, and if you face any problems while using these applications and want to know more about these applications, how you can use it in various ways, and there is some more options that you can earn here. So you can see various users, those who have earned and collected and redeemed various coupons. So in my opinion, try it a lot and let me know in the video description below. Leave your comments and let me know if you're facing any problems. I will try as much as possible to guide you to how to use these applications. But once again, I'm repeating, this is a genuine application, so don't worry thinking it's a fake apps or a scam application. So without any worry, try yourself today. Download it from the Google Play Store and try it yourself. And if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and like always, please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.